You all are snoozing on this recipe. If you haven't watched this um bomb recipe on how to make your rosemary and cloves oil and also rosemary and cloves hairspray, click the link in the description box to watch the full video. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. So this pictures are just some of my products which are available on sale. They have amazing scents, long lasting scents. This halud is not just a simple halud, it is halud et frankincense. This is my duffel humra, which is made with pure onicha. I mean, you can never go wrong with onicha humra perfume. It has an amazing scent, long lasting scent, one of the best humra ever made. So in this video, I will be showing you just a simple recipe I used to clear blackhead and whitehead. So firstly, let's get into the video. What I use in this video is egg white. I am mixing my egg white here. Just get like a fluffy consistency, like a fluffy what should I say? Just beat the egg whites. That's it. And make sure you're using like a little quantity, like the one that will go um round, like will be enough for what you want to use, because this, without keeping this in the refrigerator, it will spoil. So then I will also be using my tissue paper. This is what I will use to like apply the egg white, sorry, to cover the egg white. What you are going to do when you want to make this when you want to do this like um remedy, yes, to clear blackheads and whitehead, is that you beat your egg white and then you get a tissue paper and cut it into like little cuts, so that you can place this on your face, because when it's like big, you can place it on some part of your face. So I will be using like just a little. I cut the one that will be okay, because I have blackheads on my nose, my forehead, and under my mouth, like my jaw. Yes. And then yes, my jaw and my nose and my forehead. So that's mostly the part I'll be applying it. So this is how I applied it. I steamed my face. I used like hot water to steam so that I will open the pores of my face, and then immediately I applied the egg whites, and then I, after applying the egg whites like a thin consistency on my face, and then I covered the egg whites with tissue paper like this. In this video, you can see how I did it. I applied it only to parts where I have blackheads and whiteheads. So this is it after the tissue paper became dry. I removed them, and then you can see how like shiny, smooth, and clear my face is at the end. Like, it's kind of painful when you're removing the tissue paper, but it's worth it. You can see this is the blackhead. I couldn't get like a very clear um picture of it, but you can see the blackhead. This is how it looks. So I hope you're gonna give this a try. Don't forget to comment, like, share, save, and see you in. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I have this amazing product on sale. This is our henna bathing mix, and this is our versatile spray for your carpets, your curtains, and your room. Amazing scent, amazing product. I can't wait to get a DM for you all to purchase this. I hope you understand this video. I hope you're gonna give this a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, like I said, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next one. Bye.